When you cough, air rushes out of your lungs at up to 50 miles per hour, carrying thousands of tiny droplets. It's your body's powerful way of clearing your airways. A single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh around 1 billion tons on Earth. These stars are so dense that the entire mass of the Sun is crushed into a ball the size of a city. In about 5 billion years, the Sun will swell into a red giant. It will grow so large that it may expand past Earth's orbit, engulfing our planet entirely. Follow for more facts every day.